Okay, Capricorn, let's see what exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days. From the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see exciting things happening in the next 30 days para sa mga Capricorn. 7 of Pentacles. Patience. Oo. Maaring yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, yung mga itinanim ninyo, literal, no, in the past, is malapit nyo nang makuha, no, yung resulta niyan. Kailangan lang medyo patient kayo. May mga bagay na hindi kailangan madaliin. Kailangan dumaan siya sa proseso. Alam mo yung tipong ina-anticipate mo na, no? Excited ka na. Makukuha mo rin naman yung resulta. Kaya lang kailangan mong maghintay. O, ganong energy. So, it needs your patience. You also have the Ace of Pentacles. Oy, this will lead you to a new beginning. So, some of you, exciting new beginnings to for your career, your finances, your business. So, pwedeng merong magsisimulang bagong trabaho, negosyo. Ayan, o. Literal na nagtanim ka talaga. At ito ay nag-grow. May pag-unlad. You have the Six of Swords. So, this is moving on, moving forward. Yung iba sa inyo, kung nagkaroon kayo ng conflict with someone, may nakaaway kayo, or merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, you are moving on from that, no? Nare-realize mo na bakit kailangan mong magstay sa ganong klaseng energy, toxic, or conflicted, kung meron ka namang pagkakataon na, mag-move on para makapag-focus ka na kung ano yung parating na bago sa buhay mo. Yes. So, I feel like you are more determined ngayon to experience something new. Na malayo sa gulo, malayo sa stress. At doon ka nagsisimula. Yung iba sa inyo, bagong work. Oo. Bagong career, bagong business. You have the Two of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, opportunities abroad. Finally, dumating na yung hinihintay mo na message. Hinihintay mong resulta ng exams. Kasi di ba yung iba, mag-abroad kasi nakapasa na sila sa board or meron pa silang exam na kailangan mapasahan. Kasi di ba yung iba may mga, hinihintay na mga resulta ng exams na tinake nila. You also have the Moon, which is your emotions, your feelings. I think this is about self-discovery. No? Moon is related to your instinct, to your inner feelings. So I think what's exciting here is mas kukonek ka sa yung sarili in a more authentic way. Mas genuine. Uy, you have the Two of Cups. Some of you, exciting new beginnings for relationship or may mga bagay kang may experience related na sa pag-share mo ng feelings with someone. Can be romantic, can be friends or family. Some of you, pwede itong business partnership, no? Let's see, anong area of life ang may mga exciting things? 12th house. This is your spirituality, your belief system. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nagtatrabaho sa medical field, like you're a doctor, nurse, or nurse aide, assistant, ganyan, or any work na nasa healthcare, merong mga opportunities na mag-open up sa inyo. Yes, in the next 30 days. So, something to look forward to. Let's see what else Capricorn. Unconditional love, soulmate. O, yung iba makikilala nyo yung soulmate nyo. Or if you are already in a relationship, mas lalong titibay ang inyong connection with your person. Yes. You are welcoming love. Oh, with the Two of Cups. You also have sap, resources, wealth. So yung mga bagay na kailangan mo, no? This will be provided para sa iyo. So yung iba sa inyo, focus rin kayo sa inyong physical health. Maaring may mga gagawin kayong activities para sa ikauunlad o ikaayos ng inyong kalusugan. Magsisimula kayong mag-exercise, magiging part kayo ng isang grupo na tumatakbo, or may mga physical activities that will enhance and improve yung inyong kalusugan. Exciting yon, 'di ba? Let's see ano pa. Capricorn. You are reclaiming your power. You are expressing your truth. Oh. Merong contract. So, yung iba sa inyo, you may be signing a new contract, renewal ng contract sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, or sa mga collaborations that you will be working with. Pwedeng may mga paperworks kayo na aayusin, aasikasuhin. Heart medicine. Let go of that which does not serve your highest good. So, some of you are releasing anything na unhealthy. Can be unhealthy na habits, unhealthy relationships, no? Na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad. Tatanggalin mo na yan. Aalisin mo na yan. Yung iba magiging health conscious. Oo. And you will realize kung gaano kaganda yung maidudulot niyan sa inyo. Kasi kapag healthy ka physically, sunod-sunod na yan eh. It will follow mentally, emotionally. Yan. And spiritually. Inner child, don't take life too seriously. So, yung iba sa inyo may mga gagawin kayong activities na, mga childlike activities na you will heal your inner child. O, diba? Ano ba yung mga ways to heal your inner child? Pwedeng iba sa inyo, kung ano yung mga bagay na deprive sa inyo ng bata kayo, ngayon, ibibigay nyo yan para sa sarili ninyo. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!